Hey guys, I'm Harshit Kumar and this is the end of day 9. Well, I will suggest you guys to not skip this video. So yeah, if possible, please don't skip this video. JEE mains result is out. My result was bit shocking. Yeah, it was shocking. I got 92 percentile on September. So yeah, why shocking? I am a dropper. Last year in January I got 94 percentile. In April I got 96. This January I got 98, and September I got 92. So yeah, this is my worst result, and I cannot blame anything because I thought my paper was decent, but after getting the results, I was not able to sleep yesterday properly. So yeah, and today I thought of stopping this series. I thought I was about to end this series, but I called my sister, and she actually guided me, and she helped me to clear lots of things. So I was actually not taking a completely wrong approach toward this exam. So what I was doing was I was completing chapters which I was not good at. So she told me a lot of things. I will tell you a summary of that. So she said that I should study those chapters which I am good at. I should not even touch those chapters which I am not good at. And this is a main reason for me that I am not able to study. So yeah, I was not able to study today because I thought it is pointless to study. 92 percentile, that is around 80,000 rank, and to get a decent college I will have to get 5,000 rank in JEE Advanced. Not even a decent college, just to get any IIT, a decent branch, I would need a rank of 5k, minimum 5k rank. So I was thinking it is pointless. I cannot go from 80,000 to 5,000. I should stop, even I should even stop trying. But I think I was wrong because I am changing my approach, and I will tell you what my sister said. She said, one, that I should only complete those chapters which I am good at, because it is not the time to study. I mean, I also used to say this, that this is not the time to study new thing, but she said that ask yourself, first study those chapters which you are good at. First, do this. After that, do those chapters which you know a little bit about, and do not even think of touching those chapters which you don't know, or you won't be able to complete that. Before starting any chapter, ask yourself whether you will be able to finish it or not, and after finishing it, will you be able to solve a question or not. So yeah, many chapters we are able to complete that, and after that, when we go to solve questions, we are not able to. She said that don't even touch those chapters which you won't be able to solve questions after reading. So from tomorrow, yeah, so this is not the end. I was about to end this series, and I called her. So yeah, she helped me a lot, and she remembers the name of almost all the chapters. So she was not saying that do this in physics, do this in chemistry, do this in maths. She was specific about the name of chapters. She knew the name of chapters. Why this is shocking? She gave her JEE Advance 9 years ago. She gave her JEE Advance 9 years ago, and she still remembers the chapters. She remembers which chapters are important and which chapters are not important. And yeah, that was a bit inspiring, because currently I don't even know which chapters I am good at and which chapters are more important for JEE Advance. So yeah, she said one thing, that it doesn't matter, it matters which chapters are important for advance, but if you have never, if you're not confident with that chapter, don't study that. So yeah, I was planning to complete all of my chapters in the upcoming 15 days. This is a completely wrong approach. I won't be completing 100% of syllabus, and I won't even be completing 50% of my syllabus. So yeah, if you are a mediocre student, then I will also suggest you need not to complete 100% of syllabus. So I am not sure कि मेरे को कितना समझ आया ये बात, but कल से मेरा टारगेट 100% सिलेबस कंप्लीट करना नहीं है. कल से हम सिर्फ 50% चैप्टर कंप्लीट करेंगे, एंड आउट ऑफ दोज 50% चैप्टर आई विल sharpen my 20% only. So I will try to make 20% of the JEE syllabus my strength. So when the exams come, when I see a question of that chapter, I will be able to solve that. I won't say that I don't know anything, but I will say that I don't know 50% of the syllabus. The reason I got 92 percentile is I have forgotten lots of concepts. So yeah, so but I still remember some of them. I remember some of the chapters, even in the JEE mains and the mock test I gave. I was I knew that these are the chapters I know. So I will be focusing on those chapters. For me, okay, I am strong in kinematics, NLM, rotation, and mechanics part. Okay, fluid mechanics I'm not that much good at. In maths I am good at quadratic equation. I am saying that because everyone is good at quadratic equation. I am decent at integration. I am decent at AOD and integration. So the calculus, I am decent at calculus, so I will focus on that. I am and she has said that complete small chapters like P and C and probability. She said that if there are easy questions, okay, it's not like कि JEE एडवांस में सारे क्वेश्चन स्टफ होते हैं. शी सेड कि JEE एडवांस में कुछ इजी चैप्टर्स भी होते हैं. सो अगर कोई सवाल इजी आता है, ओके, सो या आफ्टर रीडिंग द क्वेश्चन वेदर इट्स इजी और नॉट, एंड शी सेड कि अगर कोई चैप्टर इजी है तो उसको अटेम्प्ट कर लेने का है. जैसे कि प्रोबेबिलिटी हुआ, पी एंड सी हुआ, अगर इनमें से ईजी सवाल है, ठीक है, तो फिर वो बन जाने चाहिए, और अगर टफ सवाल है तो स्किप देम. So after my mains, I know one thing. I won't, I won't be getting close to 50% of the marks. So I won't even aim for that. One thing I will be doing, I won't aim for any marks. Okay, because I'm not completing 100% of syllabus. So assuming that I will be able to score this much and that much, that is completely rubbish, because I'm not completing 100% of syllabus, and no one knows which chapters will come in exam. So yeah, I won't be aiming for any marks. Okay, I won't be aiming for any marks. I will be just reading those chapters which I am good at. This is first thing I will be doing. Okay, so that there is no pressure inside me, and I'm able to excel in these chapters. So yeah, I actually repeated this too many times in this video, so I'm sure you must be paying attention to that. So yeah, and yeah, I won't be stopping this 20 days journey. So yeah, today was like all the days, it was rubbish. I have 15 days, although I said it will be a 20 days journey, but let's skip the last 5 days because it's useless. So yeah, now if you want to know about my result, I am sure if you are watching till now, you might be interested in. So I got my total JEE mains was calculated according to my January marks, which was 98.06 percentile. My central rank was 21,502. So yeah, 21,500. Yes, I have reservation. I am a OBC candidate, and my OBC rank was 4,900. So take it 5,000. And if you are interested in knowing, I live in Jamshedpur, and there is an IT Jamshedpur. So yeah, I will be getting that, but I am not satisfied with that. And yeah, this is not the time to think which college I will get, because there is one more exam left. And if you are thinking about your colleges now, that yeah, you will get these colleges and that, I think we should not be doing that. We should not be doing that. It's not you or I, it's we. So yeah, we should not be doing that, because it's completely useless, because it's not over yet. So we should stop assuming that it's already over. I mean, yeah, we have already given 2 to 3 hours of our life. So it's tough, by the way. Yeah, it's not easy. We saying this line is very easy कि 2-3 साल से किए हैं, 15 दिन करने में क्या जा रहा है. ठीक है, बोलने में यार ये बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. ठीक है, मतलब होना भी चाहिए. 3-4 साल 2-3 साल से किए हैं, 15 दिन में तो कुछ जाना नहीं चाहिए. बट इट इज़ नॉट लाइक दैट यार. एंड आई एम नॉट श्योर कि तुम लोगों में से कितनों के साथ ऐसा हो रहा है. मे बी मोस्ट ऑफ यू आर वॉचिंग माई वीडियोज़ आर स्टडिंग वेल. आई एम नॉट स्टडिंग वेल. So, and I am not even sure whether I will get in track or not, but it doesn't matter, because getting in track, I actually said this line. I have already said this line. I actually said all the I am not on track and all that. I said that because I was not able to complete 100% of my syllabus. My target was wrong. You see, my target was wrong, and that is, I think it is responsible for me not studying at all. We not studying at all is not a good option. Study, at least studying the chapters we are good at is better than doing not studying. So yeah, I think I am the reason I am repeating these are I am actually forgetting lots of points. So yeah, and I thought that after some time I will remember them, but I am not able to remember them. So yeah, my chemistry is super duper weak. But my sister said that you can cover chemistry in 2 days, and she is actually right. My chemistry is not good because I am not paying attention to it, and if I seriously pay attention to it, in 2 days I can make it decent from wars. So I have no idea why I'm not studying, man. I think I'm motivated right now. So yeah, motivation is a very temporary thing. Maybe when I wake up tomorrow in the morning, I am still the same. But let's hope for the best. So yeah, I will be linking 2 of my videos as usual, and a subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and thank you for staying this long.